Citizenship questions and answers. Who was the first president? Who was the first president? George Washington. George Washington. What is this? Ocean. 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 Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. What is this? What is this? Here's the United States, Canada, and Mexico. What is this? This one is west. What is this? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. What is this? I see United States, Canada, Mexico. This one is east. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. What is this one? What is this country? Canada. Canada. Canada is north of the United States. Canada is north of the United States. What is this one? Mexico. 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 Mexico is south of the United States. Mexico is south of the United States. What is this one? Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Is Massachusetts a country or a state? Is Massachusetts a country or a state? Massachusetts. Massachusetts is a state. The country, United States. State, Massachusetts. What is this? The United States. The United States. The United States is a country or a state? The United States is a country or a state? The United States is a state. What state do you live in? What state do you live in? Massachusetts. Massachusetts.
What country do you live in?
What country do you live in? What country do you live in? The United States. The United States. Who is this? Who is this? George Washington. George Washington. All right. Finished.